speak about Scotland and one for all, all for green. And the first about what we will speak about is the renewable energy. The production of renewable energy in Scotland is an issue that has come to the fore in technical, economic and political terms. They are the most important potential success. Wind, wave and tide. And since 2015 in Scotland, 50% of all the energy is generated through renewable sources. In Scotland, they use a lot of different types of renewable energy. I will explain how here and like the solar energy, the wave energy, the wind power, and the hydroelectric power.
Wind power. Scotland is the first country growing renewable energy technology. These usually are situated in farms and in a huge area of land. The system of the machines work when the air across between the ellipses, and while the ellipses are moving, the energy is created.
Okay.
Now I'm going to talk about the solar energy. Solar energy is a form to produce energy from the sun. This energy is renewable, but it's so expensive. We think that the government must invest this energy, and in Scotland about a lot of 35,000 of homes and 600 business use this energy.
Hydroelectric power. Scotland has 85% of the UK's hydroelectric energy. Much of it came to the north, where the hydropower is situated, which is an industry with some hydroelectric plants. The system to get the energy works when the water is descending. This system is a green option to keep safe the environment. And for example, one drop of water run on in 22 hours can give 5 hours of electricity.
Wave energy is other type of renewable energy, and for get energy in this is the wave move the machines in the central, and this one produce energy. And now in Scotland, the government initiate in this very good energy.
Okay, now I'm gonna talk about the PR, the recycle, reuse and reuse. I'm gonna talk about recycle. What is recycling? This is the process of converting waste into new materials and objects. Why we need to recycle? If you are not aware of recycling, I will explain how easy it is, and now you can really make a difference. For those who are already recycling, discover the positive effect your recycling efforts are making, and find out what else you can do. Recycling prevents the soil. For example, the Scottish people separate the rubbish in, like you can see in this photo. But the most people of Tenerife put the other rubbish in the same bin. Recycling saves energy. For example, we have in the hostel a switch in the socket to turn off the electricity. But in Tenerife we don't have anything like this. Recycling helps protect the environment. We need to take care of the nature because it's our world. If we don't care, who will do it? We only need to do small things to change our world. Save the world.
So continues.
Reuse.
Igual, venga.
What is reuse? It's just to use something again, using your not working stuff in different action and give it other life. This action can help the planet and your economy too. because if you need some short jeans, you can reuse your old jeans cut it.
Mm-hmm.
And now a curiosity of Tenerife and in the other Canary Island. In Tenerife there are a lot of renewable energy, but today only 1% of all energy is renewable. We have solar energy, wind energy, and geothermal energy. In El Hierro, another Canary Island, the energy is 100% renewable. In this island, this energy is produced for wind power and an hydroelectric central. It's called Corona del Viento.
Okay.
Reduce. When we consider the meaning of reduce, it's to make something smaller or less in amount, degree, or size. How we can reduce? We should reduce the packaging purchase, avoiding products wrapped in plastic or excessive packaging. Reduce toxicity using integrated pest management like motor oil. Be sure to dispose of them properly. Reuse bags, containers, and other items. Bring your reusable shopping bag to the grocery store and beyond. For example, if you go to the Starbucks, you should reuse the mugs. It's an advice.
Mm-hmm.
Borrow, rent, and share. We can consider sharing tools and other items with our neighbors or friends. Now we are going to talk about the ecotourism in Scotland. Why Scotland is the ideal destination to hold the tourism? Scotland has international airports to major cities and countries. Here are many great venues. 4- and 5-star accommodations in Scotland are available in many cities. It has fantastic places to have a meal or to meet with other people. Glasgow has an international airport and a central station. It's communicated with each country. If you kill the environment finally kills you.
Mm-hmm. Go again. Okay,
Well,
okay.
Scotland, with an innovative and new geographical information system, GIS, was the first country in the world who has mapped its green spaces in a different way. With the collaboration of 32 Scottish councils, they could compile the map in 2011. Using GIS maps and aerial photographs, they could categorize the green spaces into 23 different types of open space, including public parks, play areas, allotments, and private gardens. Also, there's an exciting new project called My Park Scotland, which is trying to help people to discover their local parks. Scottish government is trying to reduce the climate change in Scotland by changes in technology and people's lifestyle. It also says that Scottish people is very effective in reducing emissions of gases.
Now I'll talk about the green tourism and the eco holidays in Scotland. Scotland is one of the greenest countries in the world, and thanks to that you can enjoy your holidays in a green way. Scotland contains aquamarine lakes, magical islands, majestic mountains, marvelous forests, crumbling castles, and beautiful cities. What's a green tourism? So regular accommodation, attractions, tour companies, and tourism business are all recycling, reusing, and reducing to make your holidays sustainable. That now Kat is going to explain what's a sustainable holiday. Simply actions can make a big difference, and when you travel and if you feel good, you can while doing good. Well, many of these eco-friendly places have a bronze, silver, or gold award from green tourism for providing good quality of service, consumption, and at the same time they're meeting various ecological standards. You can find a list of green hotels, bed and breakfast, apartments, and other properties. We shouldn't forget that UK has to meet its target of cutting carbon dioxide emissions by 34% of 1990 levels by 2020, and controlling deforestation would play a large part achieving this for the ecotourism. Well, now, what is the sustainable tourism? Sustainable tourism is the concept of visiting a place as a tourist and trying to make only a positive impact on the environment, society, and economy. Sustainability is also an issue which comes with ecotourism because of the negative effects of the environment and the community on the whole, but it's good to see that many countries like Scotland are now trying to active part of addresses these issues. Put simply, sustainable tourism means holidays that are good for local communities, the environment, holiday makers, and tourist businesses.
¿Y eso? Ok, muy bien, muy bien.
Thank you.